Do you know that the operations in the problem that is appeared on your screen are unary or binary? Or do you know that which division will take place first, either this or this? In this video, we will learn all these basics. So, Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Nurul Riyazi and this is your mathematics teacher Nuruddin Qureshi. And in this video, we will learn the operations, their types and BODMAS. So let's start with our first concept, that is about operations. So what are operations? So in mathematics, operation is a function that takes zero or more values and it converts into a well-defined output value. So in a calculation, all the sub-steps are called operations. Let's see some of the examples. 2 into 3, that means multiplication is also operation because two of these inputs are providing us a third output. And 5 plus 4 is equals to 9, then again two inputs are taking us towards a well-defined output. Then 0 factorial is equals to 1, so we are taking one input and it is providing one output. So how 0 factorial is 1, that we have already discussed in our video, for which the link is already given in the description, and right now it is being appeared on the right top of your screen. And then cube, so 2 cube is equals to 8, so 2 to the power 3 are two inputs that is providing us 8 as an output. So these are the operations. So now let's see what are the types of operations. So there are two types of common operations. First is a unary operation, so the name is itself well explanatory. So the operation which converts one form of a number into another. So there will be only one input and one output. So let's see some of the examples. So first of all, we have factorial as we have discussed. So factorial, for factorial, we take one input and it provides one output. So 5 factorial will give us 120. So input is 1 and output is 1. So that's why it is called a unary operation. Then we have square root. So in square root, we take a number. Here we are taking 9. So square root of 9 will give us 3. So square root is also a unary operation. Similarly, absolute value, mod is an absolute value. And what does the mod do? We will discuss in detail in algebra, but briefly I can tell that a mod basically converts any value into positive. So this was unary operations. Now we'll see the next type, which is binary operations. So binary operations are those operations which converts two inputs or two numbers into a third number. For example, multiplication. So two numbers are being multiplied to give us a third number. So multiplication is a binary operation. Then exponents. So one number is taken as an exponent of another number, which provides us third number. So it is also a binary operation. Then division. So 15 is divided by 5 will give us 3, which is a third number, so it is also a binary operations. So as a summary, unary operations convert one number into another number and binary operations convert two numbers into a third number. Now let's see what is a BODMAS rule. So BODMAS means BODMAS. So these are 6 letters and their meanings are B for bracket, O for order, D means division, M means multiplication, A is addition, and S for subtraction. So we will be following these operations in the same order. So first of all, brackets would be solved, then orders, what are orders we will see in detail, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So this should be the order that should be followed. So now what are the operations that lie under them and what are the examples we will see. So for brackets, you would have seen these brackets in these types of examples. So brackets are used to prioritize any calculation or they can be used for multiplication for purpose. So for any given problem, we have to perform the bracket first. Then we have order. What is order? Order means power. So it can be any power, either a power or a root. So we have to perform this operation on the second priority. So for example, 5 to the power 2 or 6 to the power 3. So these are the examples for orders. Then we have division. So division can be given as slash, that means upon, or simply a divide sign. So 11 upon 6 and 2 divided by 3. These are the examples for division. Then we have multiplication. Multiplication can be given as a cross sign or a static or a dot product sign, that means a simple dot or a bracket. So these are the examples. And 7 multiplied by 2 or the product of 5 or 4, or simply 2 bracket 3, that means 2 is being multiplied by 3. Then we have addition, simply 2 plus 3, and then we have subtraction, that means subtracting one number from another. So this was the brief introduction for the BODMAS. Now we will see some of the examples so that we can have a grip on BODMAS rule. So in the first example, this is your first example. What operation we should perform first in order to have a proper answer. So now according to this BODMAS rule, B comes first. So at macro level, the division is here, multiplication is here, then there is a bracket. So again, B comes before D and M. So we will solve bracket first. So this is the bracket. Then again bracket, we are performing addition between two brackets. So again, there are two brackets. So we will again perform the bracket first. So these operations will take first. That means we are performing an operation for the bracket first. So this would be the second step. That means 12 minus 6 will make it 6 and 24 minus 12 will make it 12. So now we have a division, a multiplication, and then again a bracket. So again B comes before D and M. So we will solve the bracket first. So this would be the operation that we will be performing. So now this will become like this. That means 1800 will remain as 1800, divide will remain as divide, 10 here 10, and now 6 plus 12 will become 18. Now in this step we have divide and multiply. Now here D comes before M, so we will perform division before multiplication. So this would be the operation that we would be performing here. So now 1800 divided by 10 will make it 180 and multiplied by 18 will remain as same. So now this is the last operation which we will be performing. 180 into 18 will make it 3240. So now as you can see how we followed this sequence to perform our calculation. Now we will see a second examples. Now in the second examples, again there is a fraction, that means a division, then we have brackets, subtraction, multiplication, addition. So now we will start solving it. So first of all, there is a division is being performed here, then multiplication, then we have bracket. So we will be performing bracket first, then within a bracket there is a bracket and a multiplication. So again we will be performing bracket first because B comes before M. So again in the bracket there is a multiplication, then again a bracket, then again we will prioritize bracket first. So 1 plus 2 we will be performing. So 1 plus 2 will make it 3. So again minus 2 into 3 within the bracket we will solve it first. So minus 2 into 3 will make it minus 6. So now again there is a multiplication and a bracket, we will perform bracket first. So minus 6 into 10 will make it minus 60. So 1 upon 2 into minus 60. So now 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by 60 as it is, which will make it minus 30. So again in this examples also we followed the BODMAS rule according to its sequence. Now there also comes a problem in which same operations comes simultaneously and we have to prioritize operations according to a rule. So what is that rule? We will see in our third example. So our third example is 15 divided by 5 divided by 5. So now according to the BODMAS rule, bracket comes before order, then order comes before division, then we have multiplication and addition, then subtraction. But what if we are having same type of operation simultaneously? So when such type of case occurs, so we will always perform from left to right. So that means the left division will be performed first, then the right division will be performed. This is our problem. So this division will be performed first. So 15 divided by 5 will make it 3, and then this 3 and divided by 5 will remain as same. In the second step we will perform the next division. So 3 divided by 5 will become 0.6. So as you can see how operations are performed in a certain order. So this was all about operations, their types, and the BODMAS rule. So now there is a task for you guys. You have to tell me what are the other types of unary operations that exist in mathematics. So you can answer me in the comment section and we will discuss if the operations that you have mentioned are unary or not. So this was all about operations, their types, and BODMAS rule. I hope you liked our video. If yes, then do like it, share your feedback in the comment section and share it as much possible. And if you like the concept of Noorul Riazi, then do subscribe our channel and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.